What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got something fun to install in the drift project. So short throw shifter, gonna get whacked.
It's gonna get whacked on.
Gonna get rid of this whack shifter.
Look how long this throw is.
Dumb. Alrighty, so we do have this beautiful thing here. It's what? B&M short throw.
B&M short throw shifter.
Yes, B&M short throw shifter. He's had it on his old 350. Did you like it?
Crisp.
I
loved it.
Crisp.
It was crisp.
So now, I have not ever installed a short throw. It looks pretty straightforward. It looks really simple, right?
Yeah, I've never done it either.
So we're gonna start into this. Gonna put you on the GoPro. We'll figure it out.
First thing we're struggling with, obviously, with us, you know, we struggle with the first step, and that's getting that off. So we're stuck already.
Is it tight? Dude, holy
That's
crap.
on there, bro.
That
I
is
know.
tight.
I told you.
We might need to get some. You don't have another shift knob, do you? No?
I'm sure I could find one.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll get it off. We'll put you on the GoPro,
that hole off.
and we'll get it going. All right? Ready? Let's do it. What are you reading there?
You know, honestly, I just like kind of zoned out and was staring at the pictures. If I'm being completely honest.
All right. So we need to try taking this off.
Yeah. Because.
Oh, you got it,
fucking
dude. Fucking. It's not like you benched 300.
It's I bench 365. Okay. Do you really gotta take the boot out?
Just so we don't rip it.
I don't know, man.
This just.
I've been finding out that this is not as similar to my 350 as I thought it would be.
It is, but it's not.
It is not. It is not, sir.
We're gonna need screwdrivers. I need a flathead. Oh, I didn't know it slipped off like that.
Why didn't you say you needed a flat?
I'm sitting here fucking prying and pulling this shit off, and you
stick your fingers in here. All right, guys, stick your fingers in here. Boom. You don't need a flathead.
Okay. Alrighty, sorry. Jesus.
Making me reach for nothing.
Now you can start turning. Oh. Where's the whole thing spinning, dude?
Plot twist, I didn't break free the shift knob. I fucked the whole shifter up.
Oh, what?
It's zip tied on there?
The boot?
Oh, you motherfuckers. No. This is the first
We thought
step.
this is probably going to be the easiest thing we ever do.
It should have been. What are you doing? What are you?
The whole thing just came out. I think the shift boot is off. Alright, so as if you can see, we did this. We took this off, the trim, and you just got to remove 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, which I think it's actually off. It is.
What the fuck did I snap? How it's supposed to go, when you guys do this at home, you're gonna unscrew the shift knob, and it's gonna come off. All right, it's not gonna break like we just did.
Like fucking Hulk over here, dude.
Yeah, I told you I bench 365. I can't help it. And then you're gonna pop off the center console. All right, and then literally it's just gonna slide right up.
It's supposed to.
Supposed to, unless you break it.
Well, at least it's off. Yeah, we're just gonna remove these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already got one. It's actually. It's supposed to just come off.
But
okay. All right. All right.
Take this boot off.
All right, and then we should be able to lift up this boot right here. Let's see. Let's try not to rip this. This is like more of a dust cover than anything, which I think it's just gonna come right off. It is gonna come right off. So we gotta remove these 3 bolts, obviously. Now, one thing you do gotta pay attention to, which I don't think you know this. I don't think you know this.
What?
These are different bolts compared to the ones that are holding the shifter.
Are they?
Look at
Oh, they are.
They have this little thing right here. I mean, obviously we'll be able to tell, but they are different just in case you guys do get confused. Just kind of keep an eye out for that. Put that there. I believe we gotta lift the car up, and there's a nut under here. Now it is. All right, so we're under the car. Hopefully you guys can see. The bolt is, damn, if it lets me get under there, is right there. That's the one that we're talking about that we need to take off. Oh. So I believe it's a 14, 12, 13, 14. Let's see. I'll put all this down over here. No, it's small. It's smaller than a 14. It's a 13. I thought you said it was bigger. That's what I thought. So this sat in here like this. We took the bolt off. It shot up. So now, actually, before we do anything, Kyle, you want to know what we need to do? Oh. Before we start taking that apart? Yeah. We need to take this off. Did it already come with one? Oh, it might have already come with one.
See, if you would have let me finish opening.
Let's read instructions. This is so. Come to find out, we didn't need. Where did I put it? We didn't need this because it actually comes with one already, which we didn't pay attention. Maybe we should have read the instructions. Huh? Yeah. So all we got to do now, obviously, they gave us grease here. Yeah, we need to
cleaning out the old grease.
Yeah, we just need to clean out all in there, slap that back in, and we'll show the process right now.
Looks pretty good.
All right, so now he has it all greased up. I'm just gonna put the spring in there like this, feed that through. And remember, this pin right here always needs to face the passenger side because that's for the reverse lockout. Which then we feed this through here really quick. And then put this on top.
Also it has the arrow push.
Yes, also it has that arrow facing that way for the passenger side. Push that down like that. And then Kyle is gonna sit here and start tightening down the bolts.
I got it. You can start going.
You got that one? Mm-hmm. You just dropped the washer? Yeah. So now I'm gonna go up, gonna put this bolt on the shifter down there, and we should be pretty much good to go from there. Let's go.
Is shift boot.
Oh, that's gonna be a hard one.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, let's fill this, man. Look at that. Ooh,
dude, right? Bro,
that is
crisp.
Short.
Crisp. I told you, crisp.
Like that is a significant.
Like you remember the throw was like from up here to back here, like it was. You know? And then now it's.
Jesus. Alrighty, so.
Dude, there's like no play.
Jesus.
Like barely.
This is what happens when Mr. Tough Guy over here breaks shit. Dude. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Dude, it was just on there. I tried to get it on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Harder.
Dude, this is on there.
Let me see it.
Okay, give it to Mr.
All right, Oscar.
Give it to Mr. Buff Guy over there.
Let's buy a new one.
No. Here, Daddy.
Ooh.
Did you get it?
Whoa, Dave.
Victor and Oscar got this piece off. Now, if you guys remember in the beginning of the video when Kyle freaking decided to Hulk it and break it.
Dude, it was on
look
there.
He literally broke the shifter. I don't think that is supposed to come off like that.
I mean, I made it happen.
Dude, hopefully you guys can see in there. But yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Damn, boy. Freaking steroids over here. So, slide this over this.
A little dust cover?
Yep, a little dust cover. This is what will protect all of the fluid. Not the fluid, but the grease that you just added in there right now. So now, put the boots on. That there.
No glove, no love.
I guess we just feed this on, huh?
I know there's some slang out there for it. Let's make a song.
Big mass. We're gonna go out and give this a little test drive. Test out the shifts. Whoa. The throw is so much shorter than before. We always out here missing third. You want the gap? He wants the gap. Oh. Is there anything in here? Oh, oh, that's so nice. Oh shit, there was something in here. Random mix. What we got? Against Me, Dropkick Murphys, Escape the Fate, Rise Against, TWL, Less Than Jake. Fuck you, Jake. Caskey, G-Eazy, Hoodie Allen. Fuck, this shit's random. Like, how do you go from Korn to David Guetta to like Dropkick Murphys and Escape the Fate and Rise Against, and then to G-Eazy, and like, I wonder if it. Hello? How do I put this? Oh, there we go. Load. There we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got some bangers on here.